Morning everyone, this is day 15 of our challenge. Today we're going to look at some features where we're going to use a circle command again, lines, going back into fillets, also some more trimming, and look at some different kind of tools in our toolbox repertoire. So let's have a look at today's challenge. So here it is. Today's challenge is like a hook. Okay, this hook is then sat across two sort of central axes. So we have our central axis here, which is this side of a hook, and we have our second side over here. Now this is obviously built up with then set dimensions and then further sets of dimensions on the top which aren't referenced, and you see that actually the 2 points are not referenced either. So this point here, left point to right point, is 178. You can actually work it out by using the tan functions, but I know when I've used this examples of in sessions that everyone sort of struggles to get that, so it is 178 from point to point. That'll just help it out a little bit easier. If you can do it without working out, great. If not, it's in that repertoire that you can use. So have fun with today, and remember to tune in for the solution. Thanks guys.